So what'd you build today?
What we have right here is an awesome budget PC for PCBros.tech, and here are the specs. This thing features the Ryzen 5 5500, a 6-core 12-threaded processor. We're going to be using an MSI B515 gaming ATX motherboard. We're rocking 16 gigs of silicon-powered Zenith memory, DDR4 3200 MHz, a 1TB NVMe SSD from Silicon Power. We're powering this thing with an Intermax 500-watt 80+ bronze power supply, and also for the graphics card, we have the RX 6600, one of the best value cards right now. It recently got a price drop to $180. So if you're building a PC at home, definitely consider that graphics card. But we want you to buy this one right here inside this awesome Roswell case with some RGB fans that are changeable, customizable a little bit. You can change the color scheme if you want here with this button that's built into the case. We're gonna go back to the pink because that looks kind of cool. And you can buy this PC for $775 over at PCBros.tech. And yeah, go to PCBros.tech today. Use code TOASTYBROS2 on checkout, and you can see our extensive inventory of gaming PCs, gaming laptops, and more. And we do have mouse pads coming to the website very soon, and build mats for PC builders.